Hello guys, welcome to DIY Real Estate channel. Here we help you do anything and everything related to real estate by yourself. Today I'm going to show you the best and easy ways to sell or resell your property without the help of a real estate agent or any middleman, and avoid paying a lot of commissions whether it is a plot, individual home or a flat in an apartment. We will help you sell it yourself easily. I work as a digital marketing professional and have a 6 years of experience in online marketing and advertising. Recently, I received many requests from my friends and family members asking to help them sell their property. So I have given them inputs on how to do it themselves without any middleman and save lot of money doing it. And then I thought of people who are looking for the same solution and couldn't have access to someone like me to suggest solutions and instead paying lot of money to the middleman. So I decided to make a video and publish it online. So all of you looking for the same solution can find it online for free. So there are 4 major important things you need to do to sell your property online yourself. First one is WhatsApp status. It's a very useful feature for real estate and marketing. Everyone at least have 500 contacts in their contact list, and it is a big group of audience where you can showcase your product or property. We never know who is in your friends list or family group looking for the similar property you are trying to sell, or they would even know someone who is looking for a similar property. So I would advise you to use this feature. Additionally, you can also post similar messages in your family and friends WhatsApp groups which you think are absolutely okay with such sorts of posts, and please don't spam it everywhere in every other group. It wouldn't do any good to you and I wouldn't recommend it. Please don't do it. Similarly, Instagram stories, which is similar to WhatsApp status. Everyone watches Instagram stories these days. This is an optional thing to do. If you don't have an Instagram account, you can skip this step. You have one, add an Instagram story similar to WhatsApp status. The second one is Facebook and Instagram posts. Everyone has a Facebook profile these days, starting from kids to your grandparents. Similar to what I said earlier, you never know who from your friends list or family groups are looking for a similar property you're trying to sell. So go to your Facebook profile, add a post saying you're interested in selling your property, and add a few images if you have some. This will help you get attention from your online friends who are looking for a similar property. Similarly, add an Instagram post as well if you have an account, or skip this step if you don't have one. Next, third one is Facebook Marketplace. It is an online marketplace inbuilt in Facebook where people post listings of products and properties to sell online. And believe me, it has a very big audience network who are looking to buy those products and properties. So now I will show you how to navigate and post your property listing in Facebook Marketplace. So let's go ahead with it. After you open your Facebook app, click on this Marketplace button. So once you click on this Marketplace button, you will go to Marketplace. So you can see the sell icon, right? Click on sell button. Now this is the listing page which you have to fill. So click on the category here, select the category to property for sale, and now fill in all the details required here. Add a small description, add a price, location, and add few photos. Then click on publish button. Once you click on this publish button, your ad will be published as a listing. So all these 3 things which I have shown you till now are absolutely free to post your property online and interact with all the interested parties. But the next one is a bit different from all these 3 things. The next one is property portal listings. There are many property portal listings in India where you can list your property. But the thing is, you will have limited free listings to post, ranging from 1 to 3 maximum, and that too with limited time frame. Your free listing will show only for limited period of time, and also these portals will limit your listing inquiries to maximum of 10. And then you need to pay premium to unlock the extra inquiries received from your listings. You will also find these portals asking you to pay for a premium package, which will give you higher visibility than your free listing, and also won't block the inquiries of those premium packages. But you need to understand that this is absolutely fine to do because the quality of the inquiries you get from these portals are very good. Now I will show you some of the portals to list your property in. It's your choice to go with the premium or free listings. I would suggest you to go with the free listings option in multiple portals, and then based on the quality of the inquiries you received from those portals, choose one or two of those portals and upgrade your listing to a premium package. These are the few property portals you need to create an account and post your property listing in. 1. Magic Bricks. 2. No Broker. 3. Housing. 4. Common Floor. 5. 99 Acres. 6. Quicker. And 7. OLX.com. So these are the 4 things that will easily help you sell your property online yourself without paying large amount of commissions to middlemen or a real estate agent. 99% of this time, these tips will help you sell your property easily. Even after trying all these tips and you're still facing hard time selling your property yourself, then try taking help of a digital marketing professional like me to advertise your property online in multiple platforms, which will cost you way less than the commission you pay to a middleman or a real estate agent. Doing this will definitely help you sell your property unless there is an issue with your property itself. I hope this video helped you gain some knowledge on selling your property yourself. If you like this video, please like and share this video with your friends and family. If you have any queries, feel free to comment below. I will definitely address those as soon as possible. Please don't forget to subscribe to our DIY Real Estate channel for more useful do-it-yourself real estate videos. Please click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a video like this. Thank you. See you soon.